Il-Kumpanija Nazzjonali ta' Żfin Malta qed tippreżenta l-koreografija ġdida ta' Sita Ostheimer bħala parti mill-istaġun li qed tifakkar l-10 snin minn twafqet. Id-direttur artistiku tal-Kumpanija Żfin Malta, Matthew William Robinson, qal li l-produzzjoni tipprovdi s-sisien għal vjaġġ ta' riflessjoni u nostalġija.
Beautiful work to be inside the Manoel Theatre, which is such a stunning piece of historical architecture, and for us to be presenting contemporary art on that stage, it creates a really nice dialogue between this sense of the past, the present and the future. And Sita is an artist who really embodies emotion within her choreography.
Għal-Ottubru, Żfin Malta ser tiftaħ l-istaġun bl-ewwel produzzjoni oriġinali ta' Matthew William Robinson.
In 2 weeks' time, starting creating my first work for the company that will premiere next season. And we also have a summer intensive, we have a range of different educational activities.
Mortal Heroes titalla fit-Teatru Manoel il-ġimgħa, is-Sibt u l-Ħadd.